Hi friends, welcome to First Choice Laptop Service. Today we have got a Apple MacBook Pro A2338 laptop for display replacement. Actually, he's an architect, so as you can see, the display screen was completely damaged. So we are going to replace this MacBook Pro display. The display configuration is 13.3 inch display. The resolution is 2500 × 1600, and it's fully nits display. Actually, the customer is a student, so he does some design work on this. So he doesn't want the local displays or OEM displays to be fixed because there will be some color corrections. So he just need exactly the original display one. So we have received the original part. The part number is 661-17548. So this is the original display that we are going to replace. Let's see how we are replacing the display. For industry videos related to laptop service, please subscribe.